Hey, what's going on everybody? It is Nick here, back with a new XRP video. Today I want to talk to you guys about this article right here that just got released. It's basically data shows whales are buying XRP as public sentiment increases. I think that we're very, very close to seeing this lawsuit kind of get thrown out or settled, just whatever one comes first. I think that, what we've been experiencing so far is kind of the SEC trying to save face, trying to gather some information up against Ripple so that they could really, provide, I guess, evidence. And they've been kind of denied every single time whenever they did try to get any evidence that was, in my opinion, it was something that wasn't even needed. Like, they wanted to get foreign documents from all of XRP and Ripple's, clients overseas. And I think that's just a terrible way of going about it because, what happens on U.S. soil is completely different than what happens overseas. Overseas, securities and exchange laws is completely different than, U.S. laws. So to really kind of stretch yourself out that thin to really try to find something to hold against Ripple is just a sad excuse, in my opinion, for a defense. And like I said, I think that we're very close overall to really seeing, some action come out of this case where it really blows up, and I think that we're just moments away from it. I think, like I said in my last video, by the end of May into like the beginning of June, we're probably going to see this case either be, totally thrown out or just, settled. With the SEC losing their enforcement director, I think that's a big component to this case. I think that now they're going to have, much more of a challenge ahead of themselves, and I think, we're probably going to get to the point where, they just don't have the resources available to really continue this case. Ripple has an entire legal team that is ready to fight whatever battle comes in front of them, and we've experienced that. We know that now. They proved it to us. So with that being said, let's just jump into this. On-chain data suggests that XRP whales are accumulating at these prices, even since the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) filed a lawsuit against Ripple for an unregistered securities offering in late December 2020. Some investors have expressed their fears about XRP. I know, for one, I actually got my friend into XRP about around like 30 cents. And when he's seen that it broke down 30 cents and went even down to 17 cents, he sold. He sold at a loss. And, fear is a big component in this market. If your emotions are not intact, and if you're not calm and collective, then I'm sorry, but this is not the market for you. You really got to learn to just be disciplined in terms of just, taking your eyes off the charts for a day when something crazy happens, or just really just being patient. Patience is key here, guys. I could stress that all day long, but I know there's a lot of people out there that still are impatient. They want to sell whenever the price goes to X amount, or they just want to sell because it's not moving. It's never the key, guys. But nonetheless, a new wave of uncertainty recently struck the cryptocurrency market after sources close to the current Biden administration said policymakers were planning to increase taxes for wealthy investors. We've seen this happen just recently this week, where we got the price action that was totally terrible for the entire market. Bitcoin ranged down even to like 47K. It was crazy, and I made sure to tell everybody in my Discord group chat and even on Twitter. I said, hey guys, we just got to be calm. We got to be collective. This is a typical shakeout that happens every bull market. It's just that's just the game. They want to shake out the weak hands. You got to stay diamond hands all day long. And I think even from the Fed announcement today, and Biden speaking, I think that we're close to seeing those, to increase taxes for the wealthy investors, and so get pushed down to a point where it's like 28% or so. Because there's a lot of people in Congress that do invest money. They're invested over 100K or even up to $1 million, and they don't want to pay 50% in taxes. I mean, nobody does. 50% in taxes is absolutely astronomical. We already paid money on the money that we, put into the stock market or into crypto. Taxes were already paid on that money originally. I don't even think that we should get taxed a second time, just from a realistic standpoint. But it is what it is. Taxes are needed, but hey, it's whatever. With that backdrop, the Crypto Fear and Greed Index, a collective metric that measures current sentiments on the cryptocurrency market, swiftly swung from extreme greed, 79 points, to fear, 27, for the first time in more than a year. It saw XRP-related social sentiment experiencing a substantial decline, reaching the lowest levels since March. It has, however, experienced an uptick in the past few days. This could suggest higher prices in the next weeks. Past data suggests that prices usually tend to trend upwards when social perception is low. XRP whales go on a buy-in spree. XRP's supply distribution chart shows that the buy-in pressure behind the world's fourth largest cryptocurrency by market cap has risen dramatically over the past 5 days, even as the social sentiment reached a low earlier last week. Analytics platform Sentiment recorded a significant spike in addresses with millions of dollars in XRP, colloquially referred to as whales in popular culture. Indeed, the number of addresses holding more than 1 million XRP shot up by 1.25%. Roughly 19 new whales have joined the network in such a short period. The recent increase in the number of large investors behind XRP may seem insignificant at first glance. However, when considering that these whales hold over $1.4 billion in this altcoin, the sudden spike in upward pressure can translate into billions of dollars worth of market cap increase. So, with that being said, I think we're very, very close to seeing a lot of price action ensuing on this. And I think it's just only a matter of time before the case is dropped, like I said. I think relistings will happen very soon, probably in the summertime. And hey, what better time to see your portfolio go up 10 times or so? It's summer, everybody's going to have a great time. And yeah, we're going to be stacking bread, which is great. But nonetheless, I really want to talk to you guys about another article, which was Ripple's Chris Larsen claims Gary Gensler's SEC will focus on green crypto. It doesn't get much greener than XRP. I really just want to stress that. So, the co-founder of Ripple hopes that the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission's climate change agenda could be a positive development for his company. He recently told Bloomberg that the agency would start prioritizing green crypto on Gary Gensler's watch. Commissioner Gensler is very knowledgeable about the space, and again, I think part of this administration will be a lot more climate focused, so kind of focusing on green crypto, if you will. Ripple, which was taken to court by the SEC in December over its unregistered XRP sales, has long been vocal about the controversial token being an inherently green currency. CEO Brad Garlinghouse mentioned that XRP is 100,000 times more energy efficient than Bitcoin, the largest cryptocurrency that is mined by power-hungry machines, during his CNN interview earlier this month. One Bitcoin transaction is equivalent to about 75 gallons of gasoline being burned. Meanwhile, Larsen recently suggests that Bitcoin could ditch proof of work in favor of XRP's ledger federated consensus of proof of stake. And honestly, if Bitcoin is going to ditch the proof of work and favor the proof of stake on the XRP ledger, that is massive. I mean, you got to remember, Bitcoin has a market cap of $1 trillion. If $1 trillion is moved through the XRP ledger, first off, XRP is burned through XRP ledger fees. So you could just imagine that the fees on $1 trillion will burn a subsequent amount of XRP. Not only that, but with money moving through the XRP ledger means an increase in price for XRP overall. I think being an XRP holder at this moment in time it's legendary overall. I say that word with all due respect because it is a legendary time to be in crypto. We're seeing the Fed pretty much hold off on interest rates being increased for inflation rates essentially. They're saying that the housing market is as strong as ever. I just really want to stress the idea that I think that we're going to be in a recession very soon. Now, of course, that means that we can take our cash and, pretty much get rich while, the typical individual that does not know about crypto, which I really want to get more people in crypto so that we could really kind of survive this recession, are going to be hurting financially while we are really, just kind of living the life on crypto profits. Now, with that being said, I think that the housing market right now is in a lot of trouble. I think inflation rates are at an all-time high, And I think that, you know, risk assets are going to perform incredibly, which is crypto, until the point where, you know, we do get that market crash. But that is, I think, coming after the bull run, of course. So the bear market could be one of the worst bear markets that we've ever experienced. So I just really want to stress that idea as well. But nonetheless, guys, I know that I've been uploading like crazy, and you know, there is a lot of information to go over. I am not the typical person to really read articles and give you guys this type of information, but I figured, why not really update you guys on everything about XRP, because it is one of my major holds, and I am an XRP crusader myself, so why not really give back to all you crusaders that have been following me, subscribing to me, and really supporting me. You know, that means the world to me. I truly say that, and I don't care about monetary value of this channel. Like right now, you know, none of my videos make money. I don't make money at all, you know, in my Discord or even on my Twitter. I just want to stress the idea that I'm doing this completely for the sole fact to really help you guys. You know, growth is great. You know, if I wake up to 1,000 subscribers, if I wake up to 3,000 followers, yeah, it's great. It's honestly great to see growth, because that means more people that I'm helping. Now, of course, if I'm making money off of this, yeah, that's a positive as well. It's cool, but at the end of the day, it's not my end goal. My end goal is to really help as many people, you know, make money, you know, pay off their debt, pay off their student loans, pay off whatever problems they have in their life in terms of finances, and really just help you guys, you know, get to the point where, you know, you guys could really, you know, get financially free in terms of just debt free. So with that being said, guys, I do appreciate you all supporting me, you know, all liking my videos, liking my tweets, following me on Twitter, you know, coming into the Discord. I love chatting with you guys in the Discord as well. But for the most part, I can't thank you guys enough, and that's why I put out as much content as possible with you guys, even on Twitter, Discord, even YouTube. So if there is anything else that, you know, I could really give back, I'd love to hear about it. But for the most part, guys, this has been Nick. I hope that you all enjoyed this video. If you guys did, please leave a like, subscribe, turn on the notifications if you guys will, and be updated whenever I upload, because trust me, I'm trying to upload as much as possible for you guys and give you guys all the information as well. There will probably be another XRP video uploaded as well, and then I'm going to upload a Bitcoin Cash video as well, because I really want to get some information out on that as well. So with that being said, guys, it has been Nick. I hope that you guys have an amazing day and an amazing night, and peace out.